Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see Twitter bookmarks. First of all, open up the X mobile application, formerly known as Twitter. From here, go to, for example, if I want to bookmark this picture right here, what I can do is click on the share at the bottom right of the post, click on it and click on bookmark. Once you click on bookmark, this post has been now bookmarked. And bookmarks are important if you want to save in a bookmark, like if the post is important, you bookmark the post. So I'm gonna show you how you can easily find and see your Twitter bookmarks. If you want to find the bookmarks that you just done, at the top left corner of the screen, you should find your profile icon. Click on it. And the fourth option you should find is bookmarks. Click on the bookmarks. If you want to remove this post from the bookmarks, what you can do is click on the share button again at the bottom right, click on it and click on delete bookmark, the same option like this. Or what other thing you can do is at the top right you should find these three dots where is clear all bookmarks. If you have plenty of bookmarks and you want to remove every single one of them, just click on clear all bookmarks and click on clear. And that is how you can easily see and find bookmarks on X, formerly known as Twitter. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.